People always ask me, Frikkie, why wild dog? Simple. These bumpers aren't made for mall parking lots. They're made for Africa. These bumpers are built with 3D scanning for your exact bakkie. No cutting, no chopping, no funny gaps that make your bakkie look like it had plastic surgery. And this is the Wild Dog 4x4 Recovery Gear Kit. This is not a just-in-case kit. This is a I'm not phoning the wife for help kit. You've got kinetic ropes, soft shackles, gloves, everything you need when the adventure becomes a small disaster. This kit turns ach nee into hou my dop vas. So if you are ready for some real overlanding fun, then come get your Wild Dog bumper fitted and grab your recovery gear kit at Explorer 4x4 Fitment Center in Centurion. They are even open on Saturdays from 8 a.m. till 1 p.m. They'll make your bakkie tougher and make you look clever.